Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, inside this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys something brand new that has never been done before. Well, actually, it has been done, and it was done about 5 months ago. But I've been sitting on this app for about 5 months now, and the reason why I didn't upload this video is because I'm extremely fat, and I didn't feel like getting up and actually pulling it out up under my ass and making the video. So anyways, this is basically the same exact thing as RPlay, how RPlay streams the PlayStation 4 over to your iPhone, but it's for the Xbox One, because we all know Xbox One is better than PlayStation 4, but PC is better than everything else. That's how it goes. So anyways, what this will do is it's similar to a Nintendo Switch, in case you guys aren't familiar with RPlay or anything else. It is basically turns your Xbox One into a Nintendo Switch, but without the Nintendo exclusive titles. It makes it to where you see your game on your iPhone and you have a controller directly on your screen, and you're able to continue playing your game and turn your actual TV off in case you're in a living room and someone else wants to take over the TV. So this has a lot of potential, a lot of use for it. Now the app is a little bit more on the pricier side. It's about $6 or $7 right around there, unless they raised the price from when I bought it. I might have actually paid $12. I don't even remember, but in my personal opinion, it is worth it. I've used it a lot. I combine it with a macro called Auto Touch, which is requires a jailbreak, and I can use that to stop myself from getting kicked. So that's really nice. But yeah, so another thing before I get right into the video is there's two ways of getting this app. You can either pay for it and be a good Samaritan, or you can pirate it and be that one type of guy. I will teach you guys how to get it from both ways. I won't show you in the video how to pirate it. I'm mentioning it now, and it will be linked inside of the description. But yeah, it's your guys' fault if you didn't listen to the important part of the video. That's why it's labeled in the beginning, important part of the video. But yeah, anyways, Ignition has it. You just got to look under tweaked apps, I believe. It's called OneCast++ or OnePlay++, whatever this app is called. And there you guys go. You'll be perfectly fine. The ++ doesn't mean anything. I've actually talked to the person who makes Ignition and asked him about it, and he said it's just because they cracked it themselves. I would recommend downloading it from Ignition and seeing how this works for you to make sure it does work. Now, if the app the OneCast from Ignition starts crashing, then that's probably because it is a pirated version. Then I'd recommend to go and buy it yourself, because I don't know how serious the DRM is on OneCast. They said they did crack it, but I don't know. I never tested it. I just know it is on there. But yeah, I've been talking for like over 3 minutes now, so that's way too long. So can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on my iPhone right now. Here is the app right here. It is extremely easy to use, simple and straightforward. So I did not mean to open that up. I'm going to go ahead, close out of that, go over to the App Store, to open up the App Store, go to the search button, type in the app, hit search button, and then start downloading it. Now, of course, I don't need to download it because it is already downloaded. I'm just going to show you guys it is in the App Store and what it looks like in the App Store, because you should be a good Samaritan and actually pay for it instead of pirating it like I mentioned earlier. So once you download it, go ahead, open it up. Make sure your Xbox One is turned on. Your Xbox One has to be turned on. Also, you guys have to sign into your Xbox Live account, the one you're trying to actually play. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button. As you can see, I need to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do that. I'm actually just going to crop straight through all of this because I'm not trying to edit it all out. Alright, so all of my information has been entered in, and it is now connecting over to my Xbox One. Remember, you have to be connected to the same exact Wi-Fi that your Xbox One is connected to. I do not know if this will work if you do a wired connection to your Xbox. I did not test that. But yeah, this is my Xbox One right here with my Life is Strange / Grand Theft Auto San Andreas remix wallpaper. And yeah, you can play games and everything else with it. Now, this is lagging kind of bad. What I did to fix the lag is I actually went ahead and I changed the quality of the stream. Oh, and then I changed the quality of the stream again. and that actually fixed it and made it perfectly fast and smooth. Now, if you guys open this app up and it says it is fully connected and you got the notification on your TV saying it is being streamed, but you get a black screen, that is just a bug. I do not know if they fixed the bug, so that's why I'm bringing up the fix for this. Go ahead, click on that little arrow up in the bottom of the screen, and then go ahead, click on that X. It will bring up the Xbox app menu. Now, I did not close out of that app. What actually ended up happening was there was an update for Fallout 76 because I haven't played that game in a little while now. Haven't really been playing that many games at all. But yeah, I'm actually just going to show you guys a little bit of the settings, and I'm going to show you that once I change the quality from high to very high and low and all that other stuff, it is going to make it nice and perfectly smooth. So I changed it to low right now, connected. And as you can see, it is just going by instantly. Nice and fast now. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll through a couple of these to show it. And then now let's go ahead and change the quality over to very high. Get that nice 1080p stream going. There's really no other settings you really kind of want to mess with unless you're doing an MFI controller or if you want to remap the buttons. I'm not sure if they have remapping. I haven't played around with it much. But as you guys can see, it is just going nice and fast. Good reflex, and it's got that nice full HD quality right there. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this app. It is extremely simple and straightforward. I would recommend using an MFI controller. If you guys don't know what that is, you could search it up on the internet. You could use your Xbox One controller, but it is going to have to stay connected to your Xbox One because you cannot connect an Xbox One controller over to your iPhone. That's going to be just about it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave that thumbs up button. But yeah, that's going to be just about it. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.